Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on Little Law YouTube channel. So recently, one of our subscriber has asked a question that he is using JMeter 5.6.3 and he was not able to see the JSON YAML path extractor in the post processor. So he wanted me to share the steps, or he wanted me to check, or he wanted a solution for this. So today we will see how to or what to do to get this JSON YAML path extractor in the post processor. And thank you, Vamshi Varma. I think I read your name right. So we will see that how to do this in this video, and I'm using the 5.6.3. So if you haven't subscribed, so for those who haven't watched, who's watching the video and who haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like the video, comment your questions and feedbacks like she did, and share the video with your friends in case if you really find them it's useful for them. And with no further delays, let's go to the video. So here I have my JMeter 5.6.3. So I still remember it's 5.6. And let me go to the options. Under this I have the plugins manager and I have the available plugins. So let me go back again and see. So it's JSON YAML path extractor. So let me search for JSON, and here I can see the JSON YAML plugins. Because I should say one more thing. Let me close this for a moment. And here, when I checked for the post processor, which I have already, so I just have only the JSON JMES path extractor and not the path extractor which she wanted. So it's JSON YAML path extractor, which is a completely different post processor. Let me check again once. So I don't have it. So I'll go to the options, go to the plugins manager, and here I have the JSON. I think we are on the right one. So JSON YAML path extractor, and it shows it's deprecated, which means it will be stopped its support from the coming versions of JMeter. And this is in fact, I think, let me just check. So this is in fact what I'm using is version 5.6. So that's the reason I think I could see it. But anyways, let's see what we can see it in the 5.6.3 as well. But before that, let me install it. So I'm applying changes and restarting JMeter. So we will see the installation of it. So it's now getting installed. And yes, now the installation has completed and the JMeter has been restarted. So let's go to the post processor, and here we can see the JSON YAML path extractor. And now let me open the 5.6.3 and we will see whether we have this particular post processor in the 5.6.3. Meanwhile, let's check whether we can find any other related plugins in the other processors as well. But yeah, but we don't have it. It's only with the post processor, and we have even in the assertions. So here you can see the JSON YAML path assertion. So in fact, it comes up with lots of other bundles as well. Yes, so it's in post processors and the okay, it's not in the preprocessor, but still it's in the post processor. It's not anywhere in the timer, and nothing in the listener as well. In the config element, nope, we don't have anything that's related to it. Fine, I think that let's move on to the 5.6.3. So now I have got my Apache JMeter 5.6.3. So let me go into the bin, and I'm opening my JMeter. Let's wait for a few seconds for my JMeter to get loaded. And here I have got my JMeter 5.6.3, and you can confirm it here. Let me go to the options. Sorry, let me create a thread group just for the sample, and then okay, I don't think I have my plugins manager here, so I have to install my plugins manager. So since I don't have my plugins manager for the version 5.6.3, I have to download the file here. So I can I have to download the jar file, and I have copy pasted it inside my ext. So here I've got the JMeter plugins manager, and let me now restart it again. So let me just save. Okay, I don't really want to save it. Let me just do a restart, and let's wait for a few seconds for JMeter to get loaded, and then from there I believe I will get, yeah, I got the plugins manager. So this is the process. In fact, we have started from something and then we have come up to something else now. So this is the process for you to get your plugins manager installed in your JMeter. And coming back to the available plugins, so let's search for the, yeah, so we still have the JSON YAML plugins, uh, which is deprecated, but still it's available for version 5.6.3. So I have installed the same as well. So let's go to the test plan, go to add, post processes, and yes, we can see the JSON YAML path extractor. And in fact, we can see the same for the assertions as well. Yeah. So I think Vamshi have answered your question. So make sure you install the plugin and you will get your JSON YAML post processor and your assertion as well. So with that, I come to an end, and I should again thank a lot for asking this question, Vamsi, and for other subscribers of other performance testers who are watching this. In fact, if you really have any questions on DevOps as well, or in Git, GitHub, or Kubernetes, please do post your questions in the comment section. We'll definitely have a catch up, and then we'll look at how to sort it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So before I sign off, please like, share your comments and questions in the feedback. And until I meet you in another interesting video, it's bye bye from Asan Shanmugam and Little's Law.